Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's questions. We want to display each patient's full name in a single column. Their last name in all uppercase letters must appear first. Then first name in all lowercase letters. Separate the last name and first name with a comma. Order the list by first name in descending order. Okay. So here, before solving this type of questions, let me show you one thing. So to convert, like what they are saying, see here, their last name should be in all upper letters. So how we can convert everything into upper letters? See, there is a functionality called upper of. So let's say I have this string. So what this upper function do is that it will convert every character in a string into uppercase. So let's check this. So see here, if you can see here. So the given string is having different types of, right. It contains both smaller as well as capital letters. So, but it converts everything into capital letters. So exactly in the same way, there is another functionality called lower. What it will do is it will convert everything into lower. See, size. So it is converting everything into lower format. So this is how we can do. And then there is one more. Another requirement to solve this question is that concatenation. So what is concatenation? It is like join two different strings. Joining two different strings. Let's say my name is Sai Charan. So the Sai is one string, Charan is one string. So I need Sai Charan as a one string. So what we can do, we need to join, right? So Sai Charan. So we need to join these two. So with the help of concatenation, we can solve this. Okay. So the functionality goes like this: concat of, let's say, Sai is one string. I need to separate it with a space, let's say. So let's run this. So you can see that my name is merged together. So it is giving us a single name, right? So Sai. So let's start solving this question. Okay. Select from, as they're asking to order it, order by class. So from which table we are extracting, that is patients table. Now select. So they are asking that their last name in upper letters must appear first. So what they are asking? First we should get last name. So concat of other two, the last name should be in upper right. So what I'm doing, upper of last name, and then they are saying must appear first, then first name in all lower letters. First name should be in lower letters. So what we are doing, lower of first name. And then they said that separate the last name and first name with a comma, So what I am doing, I am joining them with a comma. So this is the full name as full name. Now they said that order the list by first name in descending order. So simply first name in the descending order. So let's check the query. Yes, we got correct answer. Let's move on to next question. So the provenance ID sum of height, provenance ID is comma sum of height, where the total sum of its patient's height is greater than or equals to 7,000. So select from. So what plus we can use here? We can use group by, because here sum is which is one of the aggregations. So whenever we are dealing with aggregations, we must use group, right? Group by. So from patient's table. So what we need? Provenance ID, comma, sum of heights we need as sum of heights. So group by, on what basis we are grouping? So in each provenance ID we are summing it, right? So we must group based on provenance ID. Now they have given another condition that sum should be greater than 7,000. So obviously once after adding them, we should use this condition, that is having sum of heights. So as I said in past, that we must use having whenever we are dealing with aggregations, right? So this is the query. Let's run it. Yes, we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.